Okay, so I'm at Tag Motorsports in Vista right now. We have the AWE switch path exhaust for my GT3 with the black tips. I think that'll look pretty cool. And I am unboxing this. I don't know how I'm gonna react to this because I don't know what an exhaust will look like in a box. Let's find out. I don't know exactly what I'm looking for. It's good weld work. That's for sure. I tried welding something once and it didn't go very well. Mostly ended up on fire. These are the black tips. Oh, they look very nice. That's gonna be awesome. Aggressive. This is pretty cool. It's got a logo right there. Much bigger tips than what I've got on the car currently. So I think it will fit the look and the sound we're installing. So there we go. Very excited. Look at this. Here's my serial number in case you want to register this. Instead of, don't do that, please don't do that. So basically, as I understand it, they're just gonna cut the old one out. This is a fairly simple install. I say simple, I can't do this. This is why we're at a shop. The concept is simple. You cut the old exhaust out, it weighs more, put this lighter one in, which bypasses the center muffler and the side, and then these actually just connect to, I believe this is pneumatic. Just the valve that's already there. So that's why when I press the button, the valves will open and close. As you can see here, valves are open right now. This should integrate perfectly. So this is the stock exhaust. It's got a center muffler and side mufflers, which add weight. The AWE version does not have those, so we're gonna save weight there. We'll also make it louder. These are actually the actuators for the valves right here, and they're pneumatically controlled with a line. So what's kind of cool is the new exhaust, these lines can just be plugged in and they'll function exactly the same way. Just pressing the button in the cabin will have the same effect. Because this is lighter, we're gonna save a substantial amount of weight as well. Might be a slight boost to power, but that's negligible. Really, the weight is going to be the more noticeable advantage here. And most importantly, the sound. So down here, we have the car's stock exhaust, which now that it's off the car, you can see is massive. And these are actually the side mufflers. That's the center muffler. We have the valve actuators right there. And now you can see why this AWE setup weighs, I believe, 48 pounds less than the stock one, because there's nothing. Just straight out the cats. In here we have the valves here, but and those will be actuated once these lines are connected. No center muffler, so this should be a lot louder. but we still maintain the cats, which is good. So, you know, it's not quite straight piped, but we're almost there.
Hi, my name's Sean Doyle. I'm general manager here at Tag Motorsports. We're an automotive performance and sort of speed shop, street shop, so to speak, in Vista, California. So we're in northern San Diego County area. We do quite a bit of different things around here as far as exhaust tuning, you know, suspension work, just mostly upgrades to kind of a plethora of cars, really. We deal with everything from, you know, Bugattis and Lamborghinis, Ferraris, the serious high-end type of deal, all the way down to whatever, really. Basically anything you want to bring us. We do a lot of Jeep work and off-road work, so kind of an eclectic combination of everything. A couple things that I think kind of set us apart from most of the other shops locally and even throughout the U.S. is just that we take some serious pride in our work, and we put a lot of time and effort into making sure we're doing things 100% and not just kind of taking it lightly, so to speak.
So you guys have done a wonderful job. You know what? I have to stop right there. He just dropped a couple seconds ago that it was his birthday today, so we got to wish him a happy birthday.
Thanks.
Happy birthday, man.
That.
Socially distant, happy birthday. No, but you guys did a wonderful birthday job on the install here. And as you mentioned, like it's just so much smaller. Yeah. You could lift this with one hand.
Yeah.
So that'll have some weight savings. I believe there's a slight power bump, but it's probably negligible. But it's just from less resistance, right, from the air.
Exactly. A lot less to pass through.
But this should be entirely kosher because we have cats still. We didn't decat it, so it's not technically straight piped.
Right.
So emissions, all that fun stuff should be fine. But you know, I'm just looking at this and I can see that this should be substantially louder, especially with the valves open. That's a cold start, so the valves are open. I don't know if the valves are open right now as it's idling or not, but my God, that is so, I cannot wait. The difference is not subtle at all, like pretty drastic. So I can't wait to actually like get in the car and floor it and hear how much the difference is. But my God, that's so cool.